Well, here she be is a 4-blader. It'll just need some time running. But yeah, I can't wait to see if this thing works. It looks like the capacitor was changed out in this fan. There's some black tape on the wires, so I'm hoping it works. Like, I put kind of a fair bit of time into cleaning and oiling and all that jazz, you know. I'm gonna go upstairs and hook it up. Well, she works, as you can see. But it's got excessive hum. Like, vintage ceiling fans did not hum and vibrate. Like, from what I know. Like, every fan that well, I don't have a lot of vintage fans, but the ones that I do have, they don't vibrate or hum or anything, you know. They're just very well built. But this one has a lot of hum. And I'm pretty sure it's like still a good quality fan. But there's an issue with it, and I'm wondering if that's what's making it hum. All 3 speeds work. Medium. And that's actually the cane vibrating inside the blades. As you can see, those little brown tabs that go under in between the blade bracket and the motor are stuck in, like, you know, the 5-blade configuration. They're stuck on the motor. So I just had to put the blades on without those. That's probably making it make that sound a lot too. It sounds like it's on a dimmer or something, but it's not. But yeah. Here's where the problem is. Off, believe it or not. Do you hear this? It's still humming. I don't know if you've ever had this happen, but if you accidentally pull the reverse chain halfway down, or if you have a reverse switch and you get the reverse switch right in the middle, it'll do this. It'll hum, but it'll come to a stop. See, like, it's kind of helping the fan move, but it's not really, like, it still stops, but it's still humming, as you can hear. So there's definitely an issue there. But I think my friend just got here. Never mind. So yeah, she's just humming away right now. I'm gonna unplug it and plug it back in, and you'll see how it hums. Okay, I'm plugging it right now. Getting that? Here, I'll shut my lights off so you know it's not the lights humming. Okay, nothing else is on except this fan. See? I don't know what the heck that would be. Maybe the switch or something? What? It even works in reverse. So that doesn't change that off position at all. It still hums and just comes to a stop eventually. I mean, it works fine. It seems a little gutless when you put it straight to high. I mean, a vintage fan should just pretty much throw the blades when you first turn it on, but I'm guessing that, well, I guess the bearings are kind of stiff too. That would be making it have a slower startup, but yeah, I do not know. I'm gonna pop that switch cap open so you guys can take a look. Okay, it was only running for about I'd say 10 minutes tops, like not very long at all. And this capacitor is very warm. It's kind of cooling off now, but it was very warm. Like, I don't know about the wires, I think they were good, but like the capacitor itself was very warm. What does that mean? I have absolutely no idea, and you can see here what I was talking about earlier. It's taped up. As you can see, it's like, you know, the wires here and here are all the same color, so it's like, it's not like they put the wrong capacitor in or anything, or if they even switched it at all. But yeah, the two wires here go to the switch. See? It's a switch right there. And this black hot wire or whatever just goes up in there. So, I don't know. Like, I am stumped. Can't even use this fan for any amount of time because the capacitor gets warm, and I don't know if it would catch on fire or something. And you can see the light kit wire here was a little burnt, or the connector I mean. That's just because they had some sort of redneck configuration there that wasn't very good. And this probably had loose connection, and they probably had bigger bulbs in here and caused that to get pretty hot. Yeah, friggin' right, this capacitor's just warming up. Huh. Well, I guess I unplug it and wait for some response.